To print a poster, place your 8.5 by 11 original face down on the scanner. Align the edges along the bottom left corner. Close the scanner lid and press either the large poster button or the small poster button. Your poster will be ready in about 2 minutes. To print a banner, create an original that is banner shaped and follows the guidelines in the banner printing guide. For optimal results, the entire design should fit on an 8.5 by 11 that has been folded in half lengthwise. If your original does not look like a banner, your end result will look like a poster, not a banner. Place the banner-shaped original face down on the scanner. Align the edges along the bottom left corner. Close the scanner lid and press either the large banner button or the mini banner button. Your banner will be ready in just a few minutes.